Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make herb grilled chicken breast along with veggies, which you can enjoy as a healthy meal for lunch or dinner. So friends, let's get started with this quick, easy and healthy meal recipe which you can include in your weight loss diet. And here I have taken 2 chicken breasts and now I'm going to pound them by using a meat hammer or pounder. And now I'm going to make small slits in the chicken breast so that when we marinate them, the chicken breast can absorb all the flavors of the marination and remain soft and juicy when we grill them. And now we'll season the chicken breast pieces with some crushed Himalayan pink salt and some crushed black pepper. Rub the seasoning well. We'll flip the chicken breast and season the other side as well. And we'll let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Then here I have taken 4 large garlic pods which I will crush using a knife. Alright, this is done. Next we'll heat a pan and into it goes around 1/4 cup of olive oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the crushed garlic pods. And small sprigs of rosemary. And now we need to fry them until the garlic pieces turn golden brown, and then we will get a garlic and rosemary infused flavorful oil. It's already smelling too good right now. So our oil is ready, and now I will turn off the flame and allow this to cool down completely. And now we shall prepare the marination sauce. For that, take a bowl and into it we will pour the garlic rosemary oil into it. Next we'll also need a little bit of lemon zest, which will give a good flavor to our marination sauce. Then goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs and a pinch of smoked paprika. We'll mix this well, and our flavorful marination sauce is ready. We'll now generously apply the marination sauce over the chicken breast pieces and brush this well on all the sides. We'll flip the chicken breast pieces and coat the other side as well with the marination sauce. And we will let them rest for at least an hour. Then here I have taken some baby potatoes which has been boiled, and now I will slice them into half. I have kept the skin on, but if you want you can peel off the skin as well. And if you are on a low carb diet, then you can exclude the potatoes and include instead cauliflower or broccoli florets. So here are my veggies which I will grill and serve along with the grilled chicken breast. Some boiled French beans, some boiled baby potatoes and few cherry tomatoes sliced into half. And now we shall start with the cooking or grilling process. For that, heat a grill pan and into it I will brush few drops of olive oil. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated chicken breast. We'll keep the flame on medium. We'll brush the marination sauce in between so that the chicken breast remain moist and juicy when they are grilled from both the sides. After about 3 to 4 minutes, we will flip the chicken breast pieces, and you can see they have got lovely grill marks on them. I'll brush the marination sauce one more time, and because of the slits made on the chicken breast pieces, the flavors of the marination sauce will penetrate deep inside, and as a result we'll get juicy and flavorful grilled chicken breast. And as you can see, our chicken breasts are grilled perfectly from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same grill pan, I will place the boiled baby potatoes sliced into half, the partially boiled French beans, and the sliced cherry tomatoes. We'll now season the veggies with the same marination sauce. And we'll season them with some crushed Himalayan pink salt as well as some crushed black pepper. After about 1 minute, we'll flip the cherry tomatoes first, and then we'll flip the boiled baby potatoes one by one. Well, these grilled veggies are a great accompaniment or sides with the grilled chicken breast and makes for a healthy and complete meal. The cherry tomatoes are soft and mushy now, so I will take them off. Time to take off the French beans as well, as they are grilled well. Let's check the baby potatoes now. As you can see, they are also grilled well. We'll take them off, and now time to serve our healthy and delicious meal. And friends, here goes our low carb herb grilled chicken breast on the serving plate. Along with this goes the grilled veggies, which makes for a hearty and complete meal which you can enjoy for your lunch or dinner. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and delicious recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.